Welcome back to Solving Factory. For today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to create a Facebook account. Let's start. After downloading the Facebook app on your device, go ahead and launch Facebook. On the welcome screen, you'll see options to log in or create a new account. Since you don't have an account yet, tap on Create New Account. Next, click on Get Started. Fill in your details, including your first name, last name, date of birth, and gender. Next, provide a mobile number, or you can select to sign up with the email. After that, create a password with at least 6 letters or numbers that can't be easily guessed by others. Click Next when you're done. You can choose to save your login info or not. Now in here, agree to Facebook's terms and policies by tapping the I agree button. Now enter the confirmation code sent to your mobile number or your email address. Then tap the next button. After confirming your identity, you'll have the option to add a profile picture. You can take a new photo or choose one from your gallery. Next, connect with friends easily by allowing Facebook to access your contacts. You can choose to skip this step if you prefer. There you go, your Facebook account has been created. Once your account is set up, you can start exploring Facebook. You can add more information to your profile, post updates, and connect with friends. You can add more information by going to your profile, add your location, your school, your company, your relationship status, and also your cover photo. And that's it. That's how easy you can create a Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.